Hi, I'm Nass and welcome to Nass Crypto, the biggest crypto channel in the universe, with a new crypto project to introduce to you guys, Cheqd. So guys, if you want to know all the information about it, please complete the video until the end. And as always, I must warn you, I'm not a professional analyst or an economic expert. I'm just sharing with you my experience and the conviction. So before investing in any project that you see on my channel, do your own research, and every decision you make, you are responsible for it, whether it succeeds or fails. So guys, follow me on all my social media to stay updated, and see you after this intro.
Welcome back to Nass Crypto. In this video here today, we will be taking a look at Cheqd, which is the payment and trust infrastructure for credentials and verifiable AI. As always though, remember that I am not a financial advisor and nothing here today should be taken as financial advice. Also, you can find all of the links down below in the description. So supercharged credentials ecosystems and agentic economies with their trust and commercial infrastructure. So these enable the creation of personalized AI, EID, digital credential businesses, and trust ecosystem, providing privacy preserving payments for data intensive from its release from data silos to enable limitless combinations of data to unlock new user experience and personalized AI. So some of the use cases here: take your reusable KYC where you do business and be rewarded. So we can also take your reputation where you work and be rewarded. So some of the use cases, of course, we have their Verifiable AI, VAI, which we will actually take a dive look at. SSI for gaming, community credentials, employment and HR, regulatory compliant DeFi, preferences, healthcare, decentralized reputation, citizens and governments, supply chain, travel hospitality, single sign-on, e-commerce, retail, corporate identity, onboarding, and NFT. So again, so many use cases, which is super important. And there is the CHEQ token, which is actually powering the ecosystem with a lot of utility. And again, we will be taking a look at the token later on. So again, their technology here, their trust and payment infrastructure, enabling the creation of personalized AI, EID, digital credential businesses. They provide bespoke network offerings and support multiple credential formats to underpin identity frameworks. So some of their features, again, pioneering payments for trusted data, governed ecosystem, standards-based, decentralized identifiers, DIDs, customizable commercial models, and of course, built your way. So Cheqd infrastructure can be applied to multiple use cases, of course, with verifiable AI being one of those. So some of these other use cases we can take a look at is for the SSI for gaming, community credentials, employment, HR, regulatory compliant DeFi, preferences, healthcare, decentralized reputation, and a lot more. So again, they have a lot of use cases for this infrastructure, but of course, let's take a look at the verifiable AI. So the three pillars of verifiable AI is powering AI agent, the proof of permission. So again, I'm sure you have heard of many AI agents. This has kind of been the craze in the crypto space the past few weeks. These autonomously perform tasks, do decisions and interactions, again, on their own. Of course, these AI agents use machine learning and of course, independently adapt over time. They may be VAs, customer service bots, or whatever. But Cheqd's solution enhances the trustworthiness of these agents, enabling them to carry verifiable credentials. So again, this will authenticate your AI agent's identity, origin, training data, so on and so forth. Which of course ensures there's data privacy, user control, and of course reducing risks and misuse. So we have some of the members here, and we can explore the ecosystem. So they have many different AI partners, some products, SSI companies, many investors and validators. So again, content credentials are verifiable data attached to digital content that provide information about the origin, authenticity, and modifications. They serve as a digital signature for media documents detailing where, when, and whom the content was created and altered. And then finally, we have the proof of personhood, which is a mechanism designed to verify the digital identity belongs to a real, unique human being. So their offerings, we have the network, Verifiable AI, Studio, and Cheqd. So if we actually take a look at one of the use cases, if we look at Verifiable AI here, we can see AI opportunities and challenges. Again, it enables misinformation at scale. So it's very important for that people have credentials for these AIs so you can trust them, especially how AI is progressing so quickly. You're going to need some way of trusting credentials to protect license and, of course, monetize IP data. So Verifiable AI, you can look at their publication and their AI and blockchain converges. So the key offerings, again, generative AI enables misinformation at scale, which can, of course, falsely influence different markets. And we have the personal AI agents, content credentials, proof of personhood, as we have already touched on. Verifiable datasets here, so make sure your AI models are trained on verifiable datasets, and localized clustering, compliance, and energy. So what we want to be taking a look at also is the CHEQ token here. So we can see get Cheqd. Again, this allows issuers, verifiers, and holders to pay each other for digital credentials without compromising the privacy and security of users. So buy Cheqd to own your data, meaning you'll help secure and shape the future of the network, and any holder of the token can participate in governance voting, directly contribute. So again, the CHEQ token utility is for these trusted data transactions, increased velocity of credential use, data provenance and compliance, and interoperability and cost efficiency. So again, the CHEQ utility is going up. So we, of course, can get it on decentralized exchanges, so the likes of Osmosis, Uniswap, Kujara, and Manta. So we can actually go over and just grab it there. And on centralized exchanges on Bitmart, LBank, Gate.io, MEXC, and MyContainer. So hold Cheqd to set up your wallet. You will need a Cheqd mainnet to hold this. So there are two options for setting it up, but you can follow the guide to get your Leap wallet here. So there is a very good in-depth ebook on the Cheqd platform introducing their Verifiable AI. But one section for this I want to touch on is actually the revenue models here and how the Verifiable AI can help boost the Cheqd token. So here again, this can create revenue models for the likes of social media and entertainment industry here, giving a new commercial role for them as trust anchors. For example, in the stream for social media platforms, this will allow you to train the AI with countless different individuals and browsing patterns, selling this as verified data. We of course have the provenance data to grow in importance of the value of quality of these data sets and for many businesses. So again, once microtransactions are possible for these verifiable credentials, many commercial opportunities for creators, trust anchors, and fact checkers to be paid via microtransaction on their services can be unlocked. So this will recognize the creator of an image, payments for trusted organizations such as academic institutions, healthcare companies, and paying to be an auditing firm who can confirm AI agents working on or for someone's behalf here. So of course, all of those will be using the Cheqd token, giving it more utility and use cases. Again, this ebook is actually really good in depth. If you are serious about Verifiable AI and moving forward, this is a great read, and the team behind this definitely know what they're talking about. Of course, there will be links down below on picking up the token. But again, the utility, their Verifiable AI use case, again, there are so many we took a look at here. There are just so many different use cases. Of course, Cheqd the token behind this one. More partners are building on the network, so adopting other use cases such as a reusable KYC, which that'd be super interesting. We of course have external forces pointing to the adoption of verifiable credentials, like regulations of EIDAs. and burn tokenomics here. So whether an identity transaction occurs, a burn in the Cheqd token, which we can actually take a look in some of the docs here. So we of course have product overview, getting started with Cheqd Studio, so you can actually start building on here straight away. And then of course, if we take a look at the solutions and everything, you can see more details. Of course, down below, you can follow all of their socials on X, Telegram, Discord. Of course, you can explore. There's a lot going on actually in the Cheqd ecosystem. And especially if you are working in AI, looking at AI agents, this is definitely something to take a look at, because you can then back your AI agent with credentials, which of course in a sea of kind of similar, a lot of AI, this will be the where you can stand out and prove that your AI will be trustable. So I hope you have enjoyed today. You have been watching Nass Crypto. Again, check out Cheqd down below, and I will see you all next time.